By the end of this video, you'll know your way around the Bluehost dashboard and you'll be ready to use WordPress. Let's get started. First things first, I don't want you to get lost online and forget how to access your site, so whenever you need to log in, visit bluehost.com and click on this login link at the top. You'll enter your domain name and password here and then be taken straight into your dashboard. The homepage of the dashboard includes a checklist on the left to help you get started, but that's why you're watching this video, so you can ignore all the stuff over here. When you first sign up, you might see a weird URL listed here that looks like this. This is a temporary sandbox URL that Bluehost creates while your domain is being set up for you. It can take up to an hour for the domain propagation to complete, so the sandbox site lets you get started right away. Clicking this button will log you into your WordPress site, and the Launch My Site button will make your site public. By default, Bluehost displays this Coming Soon page on your domain, which allows you to work privately on your site until you're ready to launch. You'll log into your site in just a moment, but I want to give you a quick tour of the Bluehost dashboard so you know what you can find here. In the My Sites page, you can add new websites with this button, or hover over any website in your account to manage the site or log in. If you click the Manage Site button, you'll find a control panel where you can manage various aspects of the site. Most of these options are available from within the WordPress dashboard, but you may like being able to modify some of these settings directly from Bluehost. Next, we have the Marketplace, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a marketplace where you can purchase themes, plugins, services, and other add-ons offered by Bluehost. In the Email and Office menu, you can integrate your domain email addresses with popular email inboxes like Outlook and G Suite. You could create an email address at your own domain name and use an open source inbox like Roundcube for free. However, if you want to use Gmail for your inbox, you'll need to pay for G Suite. G Suite comes with a variety of additional tools beyond Gmail like Google Drive and Google Docs and costs $6 per user per month. It's great that Bluehost can set up G Suite for you, since this integration can get a little technical for new webmasters. Next up, the Domains menu is where you can find every domain you've registered with Bluehost. If you click this Manage link, you can find your domain's renewal date, the registered contact info, some security features, and the name servers. You might edit the name servers in the future if you sign up for a CDN like Cloudflare or something like that. Clicking on Domains also revealed some sub-menus for registering and transferring ownership of domains, amongst a few other things. This redirect option in particular is pretty handy, so keep this in mind if you ever need to redirect one of your pages to another. And if you ever need to edit your DNS records, you can do that in the Zone Editor. You won't need to do that in this video course, but you should keep these things in mind for future reference because you probably will need to edit your domain zone at some point. The last thing I want to show you in this tour of your Bluehost dashboard is the Advanced tab. Now, you probably won't need the tools you find here, but the one thing I want you to remember is this FTP menu down here. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and it's simply a way to upload and download files from your server. As a site owner, you will need to use FTP at some point, so tuck this info away for later, and remember that you can always find your FTP login credentials here in this menu. That's it for the Bluehost dashboard tour. I hope you're feeling comfortable navigating through it yourself, and now it's time to log into your WordPress site and begin configuring it. I'll see you in the next video.